These 10 digital marketing skills will help you get hired in a bigger company, become a better digital marketer, and make a lot of money. So stay tuned. Hey friends, I am Kalyan Roy from Roy Digiverse. We are going to discuss the 10 most important digital marketing skills for your career growth. So without any further ado, let's get started. A good digital marketer should always focus on two different set of skills: hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills are nothing but the learned abilities that are elevated through experience and education, while soft skills are more about interpersonal skills and character traits. In other words, your hard skills allow the employers to assess how good you are from a technical point of view, while your soft skills show whether you will be a team player, good employee, or a good manager. Usually, many people pursuing digital marketing career tend to focus only on improving hard skills like SEO, coding, or paid advertising. But believe me, soft skills are just as important. While I cannot cover every single skill that will be helpful for your digital marketing career in this video, I'll share the 4 most important hard skills and the 6 most important soft skills in this video. So let's get started with the hard skills. The first important hard skill to master is copywriting. Copy is the true bridge between a company and its customers. Copy is nothing but the blog posts, landing pages, emails, social media posts, and even the videos, as each and every one of them are scripted. Top quality copywriting boosts a company's SEO, content marketing, email marketing, social media, paid advertising, and the list goes on. The majority of digital marketers' job revolves around educating or influencing the target audience with copy. Copywriting is the skill worth mastering. The second hard skill is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is nothing but optimizing the web pages to rank higher in search engines. SEO helps getting free passive and consistent traffic that doesn't fade over time, and that's usually what a business wants. Along with this, SEO helps you understand the web works, particularly with Google SEO. If you want me to go in detail about SEO, let me know in the comments. I'll release a new free course for SEO on YouTube for all of you. The third hard skill is data analysis and interpretation. The collection of data gives you something to analyze. This analysis helps you draw insights, and those insights are used by marketers to create successful marketing campaigns. This is very important because if the data you collected is bad, then everything after that will be flawed. If your analysis on data are wrong, that results in invalid insights, and if the insights are wrong, the marketing campaign will be failure. So it's critical to understand where your data comes from and know how to analyze and interpret the data for creating the best possible marketing campaigns for a company's growth. The fourth hard skill is user experience. This is a common skill that all the designers master, but it is also important for the digital marketers to at least have a high-level understanding of the best UX practices. After all, as digital marketers, our goal is to create interactions which are more relevant and meaningful with customers and prospects for brand development. The better experience you create for the people, the better your marketing campaigns will be. Alright friends, before we move on to the 6 most important soft skills, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to show your support. Your support is my inspiration. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more valuable content on digital marketing. So friends, the first and the most important soft skill to talk is communication. Marketing is nothing but a way for the companies to communicate with their customers and prospects so they can drive interest and desire for their products and services. So if you don't communicate effectively, your marketing will be ineffective, and not just that, the effect of bad communication can be severe for a company's growth and brand reputation. This leads to a whole lot of bigger problems. Beyond that, marketing is also essential in developing relationships with customers, affiliates, influencers, and brand evangelists. If you fail to communicate effectively with them, you'll have a very bumpy road ahead. So master communication ASAP and be a better digital marketer. The second soft skill to discuss is problem solving skills. I can assure you with my experience, majority of the marketing campaigns never go smoothly, and you will run into a lot of unexpected problems along the way. The main issue here is nobody will be around to hold your hand and take you through every single problem you face. The majority of digital marketers' job is to solve such unexpected problems with creative solutions. And if you are working for a startup with 1/100th of a budget of its competitors' marketing budget, then you will have to be extremely creative to solve the marketing problems and compete. The best marketing is when your product and marketing align to solve people's problems. The third important soft skill in my list is creativity. Creativity is something which is incredibly hard to teach. Non-creative behavior is learned, but creativity comes from within yourself. For those that are creative, it's going to be one of your greatest assets. When you pair creativity with hard skill of data analysis, you'll end up having a very powerful combination of skills that will play in your favor as a digital marketer. The fourth important soft skill is teachability. Marketing is usually a collaborative work, and if you are a stubborn type who refuses to hear the feedback from your teammates and managers, you'll be naturally an awful team player. So teachability shows your humility, adaptability, and one's desire for growth. So when a candidate doesn't seem teachable, no matter the other capabilities of that candidate, he or she will never be the first choice. It's about being open to others' opinions and collaboratively coming to the best ideas for your marketing campaigns. The fifth most important soft skill in my list is self-motivation. Naturally, there are going to be people who just show up and do the bare minimum. After all, we all got the bills to pay, right? But every now and then, there will be a few individuals who will put in extra time, effort, thought, and focus just because they want to produce good work. These are self-motivated people. You should be willing to be that self-motivated candidate because more often than not, they are the ones who get true recognition, get paid more, and praised publicly. The final soft skill that I am going to discuss is dependability. As we already discussed, the marketing is a team setting. You need to be able to depend on your teammates to do their bit, and they should be able to depend on you the same way. This makes marketing operations smoother and efficient, resulting in a highly effective team. Once you are dependable, it says a lot about your character and plays directly into team dynamics. Now, I'm sure that you understand that all these hard and soft skills we discussed tend to complement each other. For example, creativity is intertwined with copywriting. Problem solving helps in SEO, and SEO helps you become a better problem solver. So whether you want to become a better marketing leader, get a performance-based rise, or get started with first job in digital marketing, learning and improving in these skills is going to help you achieve that. If you feel this video adds value to your knowledge, please let me know in the comments below. Please like this video as it helps in motivating me to make such valuable content for you. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to not miss out on any knowledge. Thank you.